Hello, in this video, you will learn how to link Revit projects together. This is a helpful tool in Revit, especially when you are working on an estate proposal where you have multiple numbers of the same buildings in one file. So linking them is the best way to do that, and you will find out why in the course of this video. Before we proceed, for our first timers, welcome. My name is Grant, and in this channel we publish Aki related content. Please do well to like, subscribe, and share because it helps boost the YouTube algorithm. Well, that being said, let's proceed. So this is our site plan that we have. So what we are planning to do is to join our Revit projects, the duplex. We should import it into this site plan. You can see we have 1 here, 2, 3, then 4, 5, and 6. Good. So we're going to be linking them into this project. So how do we do that? First things first, we need to come to Insert. Once you click on Insert, you can see Link Revit at the corner here. You click on Link Revit, then you look for that duplex that you want to link into this project. Now you can see I have the name of the duplex. Look at it. This is building BD, building linking duplex. So this is just it. So you click on this and you can see the duplex here. When you click on Open, it will automatically appear in the place. Now, so this is our duplex. Now you can see this is the duplex. It just fits perfectly into the location where we want it. Now, sometimes if you link it, it might shift out of the position where you want it, but you can easily just fix that by coming to the floor plan, either the DPC or the natural ground level. You uncheck all this the scope box, crop view to see where the project is. Then you click on the move tool and you select it from this point to the point where you want to place it. Now you can see everything has fits perfectly. When you come back to the 3D, you will look at the building and you will see that it is already positioned properly. So now when you are importing this building, make sure that nothing is hidden, because if something is hidden, let's say the fence, or maybe you hid the site layout or something else, it is definitely going to import those things as well. So you need to make sure that it is only the building that is in the project. So now as we are done with this, all we just need to do is to copy this to other places. Now we can copy this here, okay, then copy this here as well. So as we are done, we come to the 3D view and you would see the 3 duplexes. Now as you can see, it's really not that heavy, but had it been you just copied it normally without linking it, it's going to be very heavy, and you'll be getting all these Revit error notifications popping up 1 or 2 places on your screen. So this is just how you do this. Then let's copy it to the other place. Now what we need to do is actually to mirror. So you click on this and you click on this mirror, then you mirror it to this point and you use the move tool to move it to the exact location you want it to be. Okay, then we also copy from this point to this other point, and from this point down to this other point. All right, so this is perfect. Now if you come back to the 3D view, you will look at this and look at how nice this is looking. This is very nice. This is good. So this is how you link projects. Now in this linked projects, now you can't actually make corrections to this. You can see you can't actually do anything. You can't delete, you can't do anything to this project. So you might be wondering, how then would you apply corrections? Peradventure you have some corrections to make concerning it. Now for you to apply those corrections, you need to apply the corrections on the duplex project itself. Let me show you how. So all you need to do is to come back to your Revit, right click on your Revit, and you click on Revit 2024 to open a new Revit project. Good. Revit window actually. So we just have to wait a little time for it to open. Okay, so then this is the Revit project. Open it. All right, so this is our Revit project. Now if you can look down here, you will see we have the Revit project and the one where we are linking it to. Okay, so now let's say we want to make a few changes. Let's say we want to make a change, we want to remove this. We don't want this white, we don't want this here. Let's just delete this. Okay, delete this as well. Okay, Or no, let's leave it. Let's say we delete this window and this extrusion, that we don't want this. Let's say we delete these two windows and those lined wood finish on the wall there. We don't want them. Then how do we link it back? So we need to save first of all. Make sure you always save your work. Then we need to go back to our linked file. Okay, we click on one of the linked duplexes and we go back to annotate. We'll come to manage links. We click on manage links. You see this duplex, BD linking duplex. You click on this, then you click on reload. So it's automatically going to bring in the correction you have made from the new duplex to this one now, and you would see that we'll have those two windows missing. Good. Now you can see we don't have those two windows here again, and that's those line wood finish here again. You can see we don't have it, and you can see everything is perfect. Now this is the good thing about this. Had it been you were copying this duplex normally one by one, if you make a correction here, you also have to make that same correction here. You also have to make the same correction here. So you see, you are just going to be stressing yourself doing one particular thing 20 times if there are 20 buildings on the site. But with linking, once you just make the correction to one project, you will see that it will just automatically apply to every single thing. Okay, so let's do something else. Now we're going to delete these two tanks on this building. Now let's come to you can see that the tanks are already here. Now let's come to the normal duplex fold file. You can see, let's delete the two tanks. Okay, then we save our project. Always save your projects. Make sure you save. Then we'll come back to the linked file. We click on one of them, manage link, click on this and click on reload. Now you see it is going to reload the new duplex without the tanks on the roof. Okay, once it's done, you click on OK and you see, voila. So this is it. So this is how it works. Now peradventure you have, let's say you have this duplex, and let's say along the line in your site layout you have, let's say, like a block of flats, a terrace building, and you also link them. Once you click on manage link on anyone and you click on manage link, it will bring out the name of whatever duplex it is, and you just select them and you reload. So it is going to reload just that duplex. It won't affect every other thing. So this is how you link projects in Revit, and this is how Revit linking is helpful when designing. If you found this video helpful or interesting, do well to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, don't forget to share this video, and please turn on the bell icon so that you get notified when next we publish a new video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.